Welcome. Hey guys, I'm back everybody. It's been a while since I made a video. So today, this is, it scares me. Since I was playing my game, see, I'm playing my game. Since I'm on my bed right here, this weird happened, this microwave just turned on instantly. See, I'm gonna show you. See this microwave? See what happens. Huh? It just turned on instantly. But I'm afraid it might turn on again instantly. I'm scared now. This is very weird. This is actually weird. Just wait and see. See, see what happens. This microwave could jerk off. This microwave did happen 2 times. It happened 2 times just now, like a few minutes ago. So I saw that. I just saw that, and I got scared. I don't want to because I guess I just turned it off because something. I don't want to blow it up. I can't because I think it almost blow it up. Oh my god, this is very strange. This is very weird. That microwave is.